In this video, we are going to go through how do you do this problem if um, your calculator can't do this. So depending upon your calculator, if you have a calculator that's a little bit older than this one, I had to update this in order for it to do it. But if I wanted to evaluate this log, I can press the math button. I can go down to the bottom of this list and I can do whatever base I want if I hit that feature. But not all calculators can do that. So how do I get this answer if I cannot do this where I can change whatever base? My only options would be these two buttons. So these are my two logs, but this log is stuck at a base of 10 and this log is stuck at a base of E. And that's a base of 7. So how do I get this answer by using these two buttons when I can't change the base to the 7? So there's a formula for this. And this is what it used to be before the feature came into the TI-84, that if you wanted to do log base A of B, you could type in log with the common log, right, the base of 10, and you would take log of the bigger number divided by log of the base, and that will get you your answer. Or you could do the natural log of B divided by the natural log of A. So those are your possibilities if your calculator can't do it. And not everybody's can. So kind of depends on the age of your calculator. So if we do this one and we get an answer, just so we kind of know where we're going, 343, your answer should be 3. But like I said, not everybody's calculator can do that. So if I want to, I could do log of the bigger number divided by log of the base. So you just got to be careful with when you do this. We're going to press log 343, and then make sure you finish your parenthesis, and then divided by log of 7, and then make sure you finish your parenthesis, and you should get the exact same answer. If you chose to do the natural log, just be consistent. If you do the natural log of 343, just make sure you divide by another natural log of 7. And you get the same thing. Now, the weird thing is that when you do log of 343, it's not the same thing as the natural log of 343. So how is it that you get the same answer no matter if you use logs or if you use natural logs? Well, it's the fact that a fraction is a ratio, it's a division. So the ratio between these two, this value is 3 times bigger than this value. It doesn't matter if you're using the natural log. If you did the natural log of 343 divided by the natural log of 7, that value on top is 3 times bigger than the value on the bottom. So when you divide it, you get an answer of 3. Okay, so just be consistent. If you choose log, stick with log. If you choose natural log, stick with natural log. Does not matter. Okay, so let's practice this one. So real quick, you do log of 256 divided by log of 4. So we would be doing log of 256 divided by log of 4. Let's make sure you use parentheses appropriately. And we get an answer of 4, which just means this value on the top, this log of whatever this decimal is 4 times bigger than whatever that decimal is. And then the last one is log base 3 of 81. So we would be doing log of 81 divided by log of 3. So log 81 divided by log of 3. That gets us also an answer of 4. Okay. And so that was how do you get answers if your calculator doesn't have that nice feature on it? And this is how you do logs.